Absent for Mama Kwaba be my brass to say a twin come off at my Ghana home. And I pay Honorable George Kuntu Blankson, former MP, a Kumfi, Honorable Waha, Sazasona, Honorable Henry Kwabna Kukufu, MP Bantama, Honorable Adekye Nsroma, or Penny former Munina Kwabo, a Pombo Cordia, Yamiase. 2 quick birthday dedications, Yankasa, Harold. Roger Corte, Roger Kill, my boss 1, and then a birthday. You be deep, papa. So, Roger, wherever you are, make time and make yourself available immediately because when you cry, you be dear money at you and from Amwa baby. But Sanyamia Dr. Nancy Furuwa Kukufu. Never pay a friend, no, Mr. Kwabna Kukufu. MP Bantama, Honorable Oba Eyawoda Ochna, Nancy. Okay, that's great. We wish her, all right. Okay, we wish her all the best. Happy birthday in advance from Dad, Ma'am, and from all of us to you, Dr. Nancy Furuwa Kukufu of Comfortable Teaching Hospital. They wish you so well. Honorable Kukufu from Asia same through so because when I call demonstration be now. Hey, man, now dim. Oh, okay. I see. AFAG demo hits Accra, Ghanaian Times front page. Daily Guide, AFAG demo hits Mahama. Timinim say hit Mahama, I call hit Accra, and I say hit Accra first, they call hit Mahama. But generally, demonstration call Mran Sembibre and a PM. Ubi be just na ehun hia.
Mamini can't share with you for said that I can me bantama for na fe New Patriotic Party in penny for a flag bearer and another Danko Kufuado party chairman Afuko general secretary Kwabra Japan in penny for who draw minority leader Nra me and my colleague members of parliament in nya kwenya koka fag for na yakoye de sefata e de magana for anope me banamitie wow sister station you know Kwame Nkrumah na onne Reverend Opuni etwetwe nkomo na
Christian Council
okay into a quotation be ma Kwame reading into adaroma with short you can read no T40 bi akabe anahwefo kabe and say Proverbs 31 8 to 9 so na nanti man say Bible kire say na atwe konkon no kire say mon kasa ma mumufo mon kasa ma won a eni ne eni anom be kasa mon kuma mobrohu for so the gist of it no with seni na bi enti nura de si ye ne ye won a e wo Ghana memu no mu ye Ghana ade hye na bibi nti o haw eni ye amayofo ye ne ye ne ma de tutu akwan mu nti ama ho kira ba won so na abaya otie adwaso ye NDC for egina yen ya na mu ebu omen hyehyɛ ahodo ne esese omo ye ne ansese omo ye ni nyinara e de ahokyira abra amanfo na oni ne ba bia ogina kwasa ma obitie nye nipa nyina ne benya akwanya se de me ne wanya ete hei nye nipa nyina ne nya akwanya etena ma hye bedwafie na bibi hanumpa a oka newspaper interview kura nye na obia na obenya sa akwanya enti sa nipa no mobro wafo kunafo na ontimi ntua na ba school fees ejanka na nane eje ewu eja no na ohia ne ahokyire nti ne fafo wo school no ne nam street so Bantama High Street no ton se graphic o se den yo ebi kura afoso na maye ewo mu e de ada adwamamo rantie ne bi de ada akro no bo ebi ananya wonpe saafo no anana esefata se esese se kuo bi te se afak o manya pepa ene atenka se esese kasa ma amamfo a na yetimra hye bedwamu a ye ne mpanifo minority leader ene party mpanifo ne yehwedi ne sei de mrantie ne maba awai anamo mutu ya na mopa ne yetimra hye bedwamu a ye ka ho asem de biara da efa kata hye ho efa proye ho efa amani agana fo hunu efa sisie a yesisi o men kopim se petro ene na be me nwanwa se budget iba pa na sa ban ante petrol so be se 20 to 30% be me nwanwa pa
eno ye be ka ho asem but wasem na o kan ye no se be manfo be hunti Proverbs 31 eye me bu semete eduasa baako chemu nwotwe ne nkron 31:8-9 o say open your mouth for the speechless baby so say the dumb
yeah
in the course of all who are appointed to die open your mouth judge righteously and plead the cause of the poor and needy. No what's the now
no na nura esiye eno ho asem pepepepe na esiye na so bia woti o man mu na 7 prayer asan po man ye wo padise wo man mu ye a untimi ntena se na woni din nom emfa nsa mo afuru so na won sere kwakwa wabra afa mrantie ne mabunu atu abonten so na omudi dwumet se eno nti eno na sefata na enmunyam katwe di amponse ekoye brewo amfa abaso bo magana police de bia maka se eba police service wo adwuma na se pa se enuanom so mu ye wo madwuma as professionals a minimum mu se so ewo Africa mem ha wo mu ya de ye minimum madwuma na to de bia na bia na ya amayofu ye na bia ya chichiro mu se adugu wo machi ebia na se nia sefata so mu ye na ye nia yakoti no na nura they displayed true professionalism no kre sa route to a car say ye fa ne hwan e bopete wo kai kuma se ya ye the demonstration sa pepepe na to ye ama minua me commander 1 afi na no homete oba mote be kasa
commander 1
ye gira ya adwese se ye fa ha ye kodi say adenia spontaneous ntino obi abo ne tai o se okura ne kenten a wo kodwom na ni ball crowd no so anu asi eti trotro da we yasisi afrim tu bo se bi mainstream no wa ha na bi nsu di free ha de bi di free asa da no akosi nti pressing fanche ne ne amo ho na eye na esepata se enyina yedi ehuni anoma abakura ho anti obi ani ho a o se meton ma de na obi de ne nsa be kama iso tampo enyina ne se Ghana for kakra ye nya atenka ne se yeti o memu ni ade yetumi e ma amayofo se omuni so maye no mu nhihye nya nhihye pa na ne omu beka kire ye o ma anya no mu kwati ya ade foforo a emmoa o ma kikire na emmoa timamfo a na kata hihye dokoro yen kopim brese afedie obema tire so de biarada na one scandal upon the other timamfo wa atenka o manya atenka se be memu so ne akase dabi ade a ekono enye enu bi na nura ye hunu ye na eye aban no beti a ontie na sopem ontie nso na so be ya so brachie na so no anati aban mu de open no obeye ya to aba ama na anchancha wo na fe nim se hwie bi yesuma de echi koba 2016 aba beto ye me kai former president ye papa anyan baby college Professor Mills pressure ne ba no so na ono ane NDC mu na fe Sabre ni John Rollins
pacho obi a wanya kwan anhwe bi na nra afa demonstration who pictures ni bi na ye show e was screen so nti obetumi ehu na ye gusu twetwen koma 144 na obetumi di adwenkyira bedbere so na bon pacho to
Sabre na pressure de ko the late Professor Mills the president so apere da ko bi na no say our hand over in 2017 munim sa asem o say our hand over power in 2017 little did you know say 2017 kra and no onim ye oni pe ye nim ade chim asem na nimom de ye nim ni se emre de we ye ne den e de ke eko emre ni behia beto ye Ghana fo ebenya akwanya se ye nhwemu biew ye ntia mayofo political parties nyinara se ye NDP se ye PPP se ye CPP ye NDC ye NPP ye ntie won biew mienu na sabre de ye babo modina na ehunu kontompo ene nokre nkwata dantemo
ebinim se mo dey score cheap political points
emu de ahen
sense ma maka ni nyina no as I said you are only rehashing issues asem dada na asem aka okay Ghanaian Times was meanwhile the national vice chairman of the ruling National Democratic Congress Danianan has accused the NPP and its allies of insincerity intended to score cheap political points. Says the NPP is very much known for skewing facts to discredit the government and its policies.
Oh, de be ma yi Kenya ye kodwe wom ya kan parliament ya ho press conferences Alhaji Dr. Baud Mamumia waka ho asem ono na bo akire ma na adodan kwa Kufuado as flag bearer waka ho asem asofo wo ma yimu nyame nipa nom o ma gina simpie so aka ho asem ehemfo nom ya na duru si an panin ya na mpese mbubo bodine ehemfo nom ti o ma yimu o ma ka ho asem mon sanchirofo ma ka bi etichafo aka bi na anu workers 12 unions omuni aban aye manso dindindindin wo court a chese amaye lawyer fo kra ye nya adwuma woti ase ya twe apo chese wan enka bi wo mayimu se o mayimu ade om sensem dada na twa kunkun ya obie ya kenkan
asem dada
anya asem dada esan se wo nipa ya so odene na yenti ne yetie so kura yemfa nya adwuma se de sefata no esese ye boho ne ye kan enti na de bia asofo ani abre mu kan sempe oli koran nka yetie musem ana ye de ye adwuma se de sefata anka chief imam ko ada ko ajai preachi esan se yenti na asofo
enkoso
kan de bia nsem krona ya twira gu ho no enu ti Ghana fo be koso aka nsem dada na se corruption no kunyen Ghana fo be koso aka se isese na wo manum no enye national health insurance ye aguai ye be ka ho asem de bia
se yemfa ne se moban na wo power na se yema wirim se sisi a mo be sori akọ street so akọ kansem se ya akita placard se ya
na no CJ na sabre na candidate Mills and president ye sabre na oye communication director MNDC and Kwesi Pratt no mutu montene so omu kasasata ne top petro 35 cities other meba metro do drastically omu work ya to the extent say as petrol nkura betumi atono 20 cities o man mu akofo ne na ba extreme mountain omu kan sabre no ye mu bi wo MPP mu ani nipa bi wo MPP mu na omu fees aho kire wo ho ana wo ha wo ho bebre bi wo ma no kan ne wo mbeka woti ase sasa abre no omu si CJ na nye NDC fo na nye wo mu no flag bearer de animu your friend say wo mu penifo di animu general secretary ka ho still a omu si nye NDC fo Ghana fo si yo enti bribiara wo nipa wa sitinem say your papa ne di ade say your fa ne di ade
se bibi hawa wo so
esese
na ya ye kan sa ade
ya kan na ye beka se na me kan se na anu de omu kan ye na da ye kan ochina adidie to na wa nya ne se de se pata tike be rest assured de beka
1441 afak demo hits Accra ango kuntu ane da hwe
am heavy
na oto den as in recent times yenye demonstration be yenya dem
twere bi enyi what uti
but ebi so ho etuma ye days
twere bi enyi what is the days kwa be recover well mama kasam tro Trokon akan no Proverbs kan am kasam tro san kan bi
31
san kan
Proverbs 31 o se kasama omu ni ano na our kasa na
kind of brofon because me better me kasa me sha so
sir
yeah verse bi ho mpede me gina no me
okay
you see in sampan na hu Bible ka bi ore wodin sampan na hinta enyansafo na weyi akire nkwakoa
okay open your mouth for the speechless in the cause of all who are appointed to die open your mouth judge righteously
amen
plead the cause of the poor and
osi bu atentene buewano na kasama wana wontum nkasa wana wo wahiehie mu nemmom bu atentene baza aza onyendeda ndesoye aza onyendeda ndesoye another class of CJ oye okwa bonten enti dambren no se okade wo se nya NDC no ye kubi ne wo ye na se
asa min ka se ni
meba masa o asa ya kan tenie pa o ye fan demonstration a ye koye man bu kratafana oye obi na
right
yes oye ni tumi a odo ye na no nkyere de oye point ne tema me kan yo ayobi ni tumi do obeye damade no dam na trans ka de ye wadi na ho kwan ya di na so na fatan demonstration ni yen Ghana demonstration ni yen Ghana ni na ekosi de take problem ya wono ye suban e bia wutiwe sabe e wan PPO but wonu ya bi o NDC oriwia Ghana odi be fie hu etume kan entuma nka onene atenten ya America chen de Bible ka chen yembu atenten ni enti se epede corruption asitu a se wonu ya na o wa ban mu oriwia ni hu aka
nanya ne yake
mpacho mama nkama se wo kama nkasa ka nasare kan na senyi pampo wanje wantuma e waketu onyamenenem
ne se no so no mo so mo kan
ana
no de
tema sam kan yo hwe nyere ye sura ne ye kasa trawa obi anim ohaw ne bebi afi ba da wati we nsisa usuban igudari hwe tike ye wadi bi mo masunyara nipa boko school school no nsisa ne suban obo modify no ndi so ye wi no do ko school a o kosua na kwan abrafo ko be wi amo na mom ne yesisa nipa suban ni nyamsuro ye na yangwa zor wakato sofu kato yangwa zor ya asisa yesuban yesuro nyame se suro nyame
so then say there I didn't na politicians mujina platform so mon campaign against attitude suban but rather than a aban in power and why you say why you dey are you dey
ana she danu ye call conference bi Professor Dankwa time won be shebe gom
EVO
yes
okay
he was a professor at Legon now obekan local government service country was the chairman ye call them conference ododo and bisa o kan se mi na me sheda mbisa professor say professor damadi what now kuntu damadi enche onyida banam sa enti chede se nyipa no wa bema bibi oye bi ofido ye nam ganda enti chede se wa bemu za mo obiri ye no onye na mo se fi abemu ani hu den no kware Ghana dam not yen intellectual sin na da wo hwan na saw
enti me fa na nchechire mu a me nya sa ante ase we say mo wa ban mu em this wa ban mu bibia ye sa na mu hu no
si asam me kacho ye o man jima no nsi bon
o David said the wakana na
oh ya wa general
me bisa o say
interpretation you are lawyer you are interpreting the way you understand it but somebody outside my interpret in a different direction na tema me kan ye am me comment me come opinion at all it is up to you to interpret it the way you want it ma me pa chen there onyipa de sani o de hu de mati biara no ma redua na ndan betwa no chena enti se pede rincha bonishna dua papa atasa dua papa ntem bi so question there demonstration hin yen Ghana ha corruption with demonstration hin yen it's a man set America ya osi corruption akodo America no ye different from Ghana corruption akoso UK ye different from Ghana but Ghana yen dey special because we the people no embre woman mu onye juma na mbra no proper joma no de mbra no be yejuma
yes
Nebati.
Oh no, yeah.
Oh, that's some can because President John Mama or your president too. He has appointed Attorney General. Your Chief Justice. Your ministries. And this assembly kodo corrupt catastrophe kodo ministry why no initiate that legal battle. Or your John Mama no be for Minister of Local Government, Minister of Finance, they initiate this action. You see, we are making a mistake as a Ghanaian. We just push blame onto one person without any collaborative interest.
Seripa na anya auna as in shareholder. What do you do?
Akasa. Corruption issues eba nyinara. What set parameters to check it? One, commissioner on what do you call it? Judgment debt. You don't establish it. It's not another means to curb corruption. And because nyama exposed ba. Enti osade me no yi kitike yenso ya family ye beye ne de aboama nzama wa cover ni na ho a owo there offer attention. I was happy there obinim ka there was metie lectures no ba ko ka there say at a certain time all the corruption activities are well exposing now. If proper care or action is not taken, they will go to court. I'm saying Lord Sampao. that lawyer.
More sample.
I heard it. I was happy. Master, we all want a better Ghana.
Or court on what again strength no they court no.
Master,
say a binding pie corrupt. Now private individual court
you can make what do you call in law arrest. What do you call it? Private arrest. You can do it. So in the same capacity,
we are very limited.
Oh yes.
Obi remember restricted. Obi ya bone na wako piece no. Anya da obi out in office na why corruption.
Tobuase. Citizen vigilante. And Zama ohu your evidence or court and rule. So what are you talking about?
Beyond that,
we are not prepared as a nation to defend the nation. No, I'm telling you the truth. I'm not being myopic.
But it can't win.
Yeah.
And near my dear children, citizen vigilante.
Yeah.
His hands are now tied.
So,
court now you
why you ruling?
So did you or there a ban no ye.
Okay.
Under normal circumstances, if our system is even working well, it shouldn't even take a person like him to go to court.
So how do we force the system to work? Individually doing what he's supposed to do.
Okay.
No, Pacho, you see, let me tell you, the whole problem in this country is we.
You contest no matter because me I can't say dey na you dey be fry nyina na dey me no be anya adwen
those people we put there we put there for what to do what and report to us.
Yes, we
have to ask for accountability. We should ask them to tell us how they are using our money, the position we gave them, how are they utilizing it. Master, you see, it's not your mama that we should blame. We should blame the sectors and those put in charge.
But President, the offenders were
that is, you see, that is what I'm saying. The demonstration that is their legitimate right.
Okay,
it's another way of bringing issues to bear. But my question is, that should not end there.
Okay,
you understand? Every facet of the society must play its role diligently and rightly. Like the Bible is saying that judge righteously.
Yes,
you understand? Don't judge naively.
Oh God,
don't judge naively. Other than that, this country will not reach where we want it to be reached, because all those people speaking, all those behaving, they don't belong to churches. You are saying they don't belong to mosque. Someone can say, "Mose, bonanim quarantine." Another chief imam, so it is up to us to continue the fight, to help the president to erase all the canker that is destroying the nation.
Okay.
Then we have been doing something better. Most of them are waiting for the appointment. Because it's happening in the CGA. CGA, what we are, they are what the appointment?
After no demonstration,
deputy attorney general. It was on also waiting.
You see, I'm not surprised there. I confused. Miss Senior brother. Honestly,
I'm not confused.
Oh, you are one contradict. Okay, can you see what's could be at the purpose? You are now coming to leadership crisis. Our mind war. Now you are telling us say leadership require nibi. That's what to say.
Oh, sir.
That's your opinion.
Also, can how you know, so who take the bull by the horn? You are too Obama for what as leaders? Adumaya Momi, Obi na dia. Now so Obi da no program ya wuye, utia no, nyaza. Enti bibi teach
mama ya you made
sa bibi teach ma ye wo de ye kobusa no. Enye se bibi ateach ma fie ha, ne say ene ye nyina obi a. Kapi. Enya ne sa.
But the issues are before court.
Oh, please. Oh, Kasama Kabi. Leadership.
Okay.
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 Yeti ayeye, including many as politicians. And he said, I know new patriotic party. Onyame kan yakoma ne ekoyi na nado dan Akufo-Addo as flag bearer.
Yeti ayeye no.
Yeti ayeye. And I restore confidence level na. Na Ghana full lusu of politicians any governance mu. I tell you honestly.
But now mayor Onyame mayor
president. Yeah, but Penya ni daso. Penya hotoso say yes. Say Onyame ya.
Say emu dani emu dan awose ayi na ne tre.
Onyame kwa na 2016. Na nado dan Akufo-Addo ni patriotic party. So afne mu sai wo man mu a at least anya hwe ye benya ni daso ye benya ahotoso bia e kire say now we will have leaders and leadership ange kutu admit say ohanu ye nyina ya ha e tie say ye nyina now how do we 27 million people ye give you instructions na ye obi to ministry no ya ade anya na nyina botwi na yakwa no. Who gives appointment? And who want the sign book appointment? Go and read your constitution. The presidency or the president is loaded with full responsibilities and duties. We are accountable to the people of Ghana. It is our pick-a-war and now me as appointee. And I said this as a sorry, I said, Duma or the Asham is as a median. Otina masu esema sumo mine no kwari mono. Me ya na me nyepe and I said it. So tria soon so system so yeah. Talking about corruption na commission e what trick na mo gazi anim. We are talking about prevention. Woni tia say corruption baby akwa yiwe anamo a wotui e de katase shebeba aban ba parliament no abeka kire say me pese me ye kwan. Yes yo aban ye kwan ye de we ye bebo o man. Na mom sika sen na wo de kwaye. Also, we dey mama be 300 million here. There be aban, we dey any dia na obeto, dia any dia na beko me ye hu so there be there. Actually, me the beba. You are giving room for corruption. Wo makwan say obi petimi adidi mu. Wotimi mabontin me kan kire ye pepe say weni ana me dey yo. So say be ko petrol no ho.
Oh, ye be ko ho sisi
uncle
enti tige here. The okay. Mene ya adwen.
What in the adwen?
Mene ya adwen. See, o me ka sem tro say ye the opinion si wa. Ni ye nje opinion. Sabe, mamfa otumfo kran example. Otumfo si edni si wa, otie counsel from his elders. Or sumanko ahene, or damdam, they report to him. Odu bebi no bi ye bone a otea no. Ono obadare to say damadi. Ono nkyere say opinion wa da ana opinion wo. Because okay, assuming say open equalization Tama CJ war demonstration when Kufo was in power, President Kufo was in power. Next day, my opinion him. What are you talking about? You see, don't interpret the issue on a literal basis.
But you would find people also more can say there was leadership crisis, sad time, no.
That is the opinion of the person seeing the action. You see, it's individual opinion.
And it brought benefits to them.
That's what I told you. There. They were rewarded. And Johnson, I see Bia when Deputy Attorney General.
Okay.
The man can say, what to Aduma, Akufo-Addo, then Akufo-Addo said, Fab Berano. That's a Ghana for you, and that's so.
I was say restore.
Now, I am president.
No, but that
I am president. That's what. Yeah, well, football and art ones.
Yo.
Yeah, I show me and show who a born one a born. So when they are saying a copper case,
maybe say me who said a teacher for Bessa was strike be a man now all day. TK
Ghana.
Catch on Rabuku Kufu say a better Kufo and your president. Walk of far gallon co campaigns so be president or non so or better so or bar power no. Within 30 days, then a who or two a boom. Honorable Kufu, wakasa papa, many Joe na or said brefie na best better or so cocoa so quano. I will constituency. Here or see here, it was we need help. Yeah, Brichum, aka accountant, cocoa so.
Yes, crepa make we make call ya.
Yeah, friend Makudi TK. Catch Honorable Blankson say. Menene nyadwene da nsem na wo kan
say obi anadwene
catch former MP honorable Kuntu say okay all right okay o say one honorable kuntu blanks ya adwen pa say ya say yesu baya na ya nya discipline da baby aye wo no e kwa na e be koso atena dan obuade temana no TK honorable kuntu blanks no kasa too much TK Alan from Kaso TK many do show na mo ye no pa God bless you. Okay, God bless you too. Regina from Asokore Mampon TK catch say honorable kukufu say o look nice papa some ye can be unity nice na o se me so me look nice na emom aka so say o se na emom ye look nice nyina no so no nursing training students o allowance o san kan nti the nice notwithstanding. TK, good morning. Kosuna Yejuma now na Gaskia from Bubu. I say thank you very much. TK, you are always the best. Keep it up. Thank you very much. I support demonstration against corruption. But writings on placards should be checked, especially when honorables of this country are involved. I'm waiting for demo against Chinese something. Okay, we need best point savings and loans office at Suhum. China Kumasi na Ebruso. TW Kumasi Diana. Here Suhum so. Mohammed and DC, we are tired of you, Gloria. Ticket today is my okay. All right, Honorable.
Yes, sir.
Petro NPA. Almost say, Munyan who say Obeto do Anna. Yes, I am trying kakra. Honorable Spill Gabriel also was a bank, so monetary interest rates. So I was so and then you know about Yentisunti.
The member here make say Petro ni dia no. Kopim say NPA ekasa no money Ghana for any ye. Na aban ni Ghana for any ye. Uka automatic adjustment formula deregulation. Oh, about former ye de be kofo. New Patriotic Party under J for His Excellency. $147 a barrel. Ana Petro abokudu. Oh, Ghana. Oh, man, we are saying it's on record. And no cranny a topic saying. And so to tia NDC Babem 2009, na petrol was less than $100 per barrel. Crude oil. Oma tomorrow na do say 150. Is it not?
No cry because you know my
just about the so and increasing. Me no ka say premix. Ne coastal line of your we are can once a premise. Amani
and right who said no be kuta binim so can no demonstration.
And amani o mu no. Ye nu anma fare for. And anopa uncle kuntu one can be pa mawoma on be do ho ya pa. I tell you.
Na obiti the baby na so all right okay.
On so no the channel back. Na with him petrol. Sesi ya ye wo hoi reasons are ye de to petrol na ye ba be major na ye two one ye say this price world market cost. Two na cedi ni nye stable na e fluctuate e koba
na ye dum so
cedi and na cedi na stabilize a free baby and the highest level 3.8 or whatever I be do 3.150 or so and no stabilize. Two ya teso sisi ameno ka say ebedru be $75 per barrel by the end of the month.
80 and visa.
80 by the end forecast just say by the end of the month ebedru $75. Ya teso hwim abafo. Ebio almost an ka say ye hia sika when for no near the bia kotua subsidy no ma. 2013 budget statement ewom finance minister de shemu say ye makwan ya approve 600 million Ghana cedis no mu fa kotua sa e kana wo ni nyina ya approve ma o sa sika no o makotua no mu kotua o matua o mtua ma hwan o mu ntua asoso a e wai ss na in any case what's the subsidy na wo ka ohia ni wa mobro a uzi tike mitimi untimi asoso wasene kakra yesa na asoso masene wi a na wi asan afa kwati kwan so amama betua no mo ho na nya kro no bo na so masene na de ko we are paying etoso bio 11 cedi ho honorable kwakuku atin ene perifo bi ko ho court 2 years ni court si abanye se sika na illegal manyi gibio me panto petrol no so ne mum de waboa no nyina akra no fabra 600 and something million besine abanye bu na sunua na se pass I care for you government pass better Ghana agenda government na se ne be bia koduru Ghana for ho che na onim yete petrol so anim de beba me makura ase mre dane ama kurom ba kurom omde bode ne banche ba kurom ama me metenkra ha na kumase yenyira nya bia de eso bete ka sika no sende eso bete eso ti a aduane ba kofom yenuanu aparefo e kon ansem ombenya premise no at a lower price ombekwa akoyinam ade bi aba me nsumenya bia di ade aho
the bottom line is yente so
saban ante so o budget we mu a ade be ya e be ya me nwanwa
da be na budget no eba no
am sem so kosia da ade mu odu ntu so de ba bia kosia da ombe wi enti binada ye bele ombele as planned ye twa den budget na no mu no so kra ye san twen se aban ansa na omra binada no na finance minister wa ayi sa pension tier 2 ho ahwan yasim na wode ni nyina atoto akwan mu be kire sika no ba bia aduro investment o mu de ye ene ade ni de awo interest na workers akoma to mu yem no wo ne workers asem no yetimi resolve.
Okay, I hope say ye be share bi mu na budget na ba na ye ba ka ho asem and prepare entertain your callers with legendary tunes from High Life legend Kujua she sent 26 for Akono Ba, 27 for Bomen Komode, 30 for Minyan Tabantu, 1355 to set your caller tune. Now MTN free. It's exciting times on MTN. It's free after 1 on MTN to all networks. Talk for as long as you can with MTN and Komode today. You pay for only the first minute and the rest is free. Yes, it's absolutely free after the first minute. Enjoy unlimited talk time only on MTN to all networks. Make that call now. Dial *3155 to sign up for free. Enjoy the freedom of longer conversations with MTN in Komode and say welcome to the new world. Terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. Honorable,
best point. Na me pese me catch Dr. Ose Kwame ene brother ene semensa ka invitation no.
Okay.
Chize Kumasi Kiditi branch.
Yes.
Me di mo tentema papa so mo beba. Na me kusi wana.
Okay, simana. O ma nya no kro kusi mana.
Kusi ana say adwade wo ha. Eti beba.
Okay. What?
Yo
Uncle Kuntu.
Dige. Best point mo fa bi nkwa kunfi.
Ebedru.
Akunfi social.
Ebedru.
Am ko sibo na mama credit ma fa for.
Ese me na listen wo me nsam.
Etse ma ka che faka ho. Sam fan ka ma yiwedi.
Mate. Mate.
Why mama yo? TK.
Petron one to.
I'm the second kind graphica. Na kasambata. Wa tre senti kura. What so don yi. Na we ama yen with the ose e ka bi ho what the dam sike wodi kotua na obi su bi sende e ka no oye consumer no cost no say petrol no woton wonya ho adamede ana engineer ho tere wa no use na da bre ne bo no ye din no wa no use ma ka no bai it is dami briso nzama aba ma akofi ma ode wode dam ka na ode kotua amente we yen tokwa ma ode yebisa ne de da ben e ka na ya he na da ben obetua ka na awie simple it's
a chedi be da chero
you see ade bi e o ma
ka na etua ka last year ma on 6
take above maximum
for wasam
some parliament me more information me boa
me information ba e bank de mam de fichiro see you see o man na yewom no hu ye mpede mra be yeduma o yipa ne sidam wo so friend krache okay e ka no ya he dabe ne betwawie ye da ma ne yare bo man no you see endema bia na yare politics a yare ho man
Anna, I'm saying, Mamma, last year, buy no budget statement. The baby, I know, 600 million. Okay, and we gave him the 600 million.
Somebody 600 million mana was signed the budget yaba. Sabi parliament, me hobby. One more hot. And it's a pagana ye, na predomina would be said that one so near ya. What the budget bar. Wama home conta, na most moon come aging, na quam of fada. What bets would do? Ma domin wo beto no oya mama said it anya de beto edu yetwe dawe
okay
no reprimise no because say oya it's oda mara me kaka sabe minua men come sawa men tabasika do
okay
makaka me to petrol me gum
better Ghana
better Ghana
anyhow
ayo nko bi ne tia so yeku afo
ya point TK catch honorable Kukofu say me penasem pa onko so na omma Ghana onko so na omma MPP flag na so ehia pa na so we say aban a wo so no de wo say aban na incompetent government yenyi emfi Ghana history mu obi so TK catch honorable Kukofu say ordinary na Kufu adudwa nanum too much
nanya na me de no
okay somebody is asking for Kwame Duncan on this show okay okay uncle Kuntu ni Kwame na Odin Baba okay catch honorable Kuntu say onjais na some na o kan okra onjais as the master no kra na what's as in bukra okay yapon all right for here the basic say but for them nyina say na bibiti o say ye page ye muntem kakra na ochina mesaka mu biem so ochina best point savings and loans kuma say ye bie medical catch them that say nyesa afi ne ye ko bie akopɛ dan akɔfa adwuma ye bia ye adwuma china na what that means is that say wo kɔ ho a ukuta osika and now unim say bank so de okwa ku bia savings and loans so kwa ye bibisa photo titwa dem kofa postcard dem ko ana say you know form for photo now the arrow I said the recent passport size pictures and I will see card be kwa kotum no na ebeye kama pa ochina enya asem ke 20 uji na yemfe ani nkyere kumase kejetia SAT dia mo maka echiri de mo de no beba maako ekumfi esuehia mo maka no muramura bantama ko be branch wo be a be o
go mo buewe social
aboko for yes sorry ochanya me aduma ye be say hia bi e da mase
okay